Okay, guys, thanks for watching and tuning in. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can get all the videos that I upload. Okay, let's get into it. I took this trade. I do believe I got in a little bit too early. Again, you know, I've grown it up to 85,000. So, you know, that happens. You know, you got to take your losses and your wins. So let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, lost that one, but that's why I say it's so important to perfect your entry. I know I can get this one. It's right at the top. You know, I just got in early. That's all. You have to kind of just be better at your entry. And I know people in the comments, show your losses. Well, here they are. But I'm going to make them up too. Simply by keeping calm and disciplined and still following the strategy. Let's see if I can get this one. Nice. Okay. Let me see what else I can find. Again, looking for any price movement that is at the top of the Keltner channel, and or either at the bottom. If it is at the top, we're looking at the 80. Is it over the 80? It's at the top. We're looking to do a put going down. And if it's at the bottom and it's near the 20, we're looking to do a buy. And this is kind of looking really good. I like where the EMA is for the 200. It's gone through that candle too, giving it even, you know, it's turning into a momentum candle. Okay, we're right at the tip. I'm going to take it. Let's see. Yeah, you've got to be confident in your trades because it'll reverse and you'll think, oh man, but you just got to be patient and let it play out. That did not go. I'm going in again. And for one, it didn't go. Now, if you look at the blue line on the stochastic, it is the blue is now bent, where previously it was bent up. So I should have never been there to begin with. So you learn. Yeah, and look at the stochastic with the blue arched, and then it pushes through on that 80. Boom. All right, let's see what else we can find. Okay. Going for a buy on this one. I may have gotten into it a little bit late, and there's a lot of pullback. Yeah, I just missed it on the pullback. Okay, let's look for something else. This is looking good. It's not at the top. And here again, you know, you can make your own decisions on how you want to enter a trade. Let's see if there is... Okay, here we go, here we go. No, Yeah, see, it's kicking up. And it's still going. I'm going to hop in. I'm going to hop on that. Nice. Now we got a red. Let's see. Let's kind of just watch. Let's see what happens. This is where you can hopefully grab two. And I may not have, I probably should not have done that. There's still a lot of rejection that's happening. Okay, looks like I got it a little bit too late. Yeah, so that's not going to go. Okay, I'm going to try this and let's see. No, I should not have actually. This is actually a good example. I should have been patient because there's still rejection, and that I know it's not going to go. Maybe the next one will. Let's let it play out. There's just not enough momentum there. Two losses. More like three, but I've made one up. But I do know this. I have a flat bottom red, and I'm going to go make up my losses. So here we go. Now, I scalped that right there, only because I was confident. It's a $7,200 trade right there. So I guess the point of it is that practice your entries, and that way you can get better at doing the Keltner channel strategy. Nice, there it is. Thanks for watching. More to come.